Hi everyone, welcome back to Niecy's Custom, or welcome if you're the first time visitor here, welcome to my channel. I hope you stay because I have a lot to say that rhymes. Okay, I know it was a while since I posted a video. Approximately 2 weeks since I posted a video. I just had, been having a lot going on with my mom and stuff, and she's sick, and me and my sister really had to make some tough decisions this week, in the last couple of days about my mom. So I just want everybody in the Niecy's Custom family to keep her in your prayers, that she get healing. And I'm gonna thank you in advance. Well, if you're new to my channel, I hope you stick around. I hope you stay and be a part of the big family. I'm going to start giving out some shout outs in my video. My first two shout outs that I'm going to give is to Tanya Dinkins and Danielle Friday. So those are my two shout outs that I'm going to do. My first two shout outs that I'm doing. And if you want me to give you a shout out in my videos, leave me a comment in the comment section. Okay? Since I done talked 2 minutes of this video, I'm going to go ahead and start my craft. Be right back. Okay, what I got here, I'm going to do the bangle bracelet and the mom chain. And I already got my little image print out. That's my mom. And I have this right here, the most amazing mom. So what you want to do is, first you're going to get, these are the little pieces that comes with the jewelry. This is the chain to go to the mom. And this is what I'm going to do. Before you start, you have to take off the protective plastic that's on there. It just peels right off, just like that. You have to make sure you take that off. And I'm just going to place it. Can't see. I'm just going to place it right there on that. Oh, no, don't cut off. And I'm going to get a piece of heat tape. Put that on like that. Then there's a piece of plastic on this one right here. Take that off. And I'm going to place it right here on the picture of my mom. Okay, I'm going to get a piece of heat tape. And I'm going to just place it like that. So I'm going to take this and put it on my heat press. Even though the heat press is not on, I'm just setting this right here because I'm using my Cricut heat press. And we're going to press it for 400, we'll press it at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. And this right here comes in handy because I don't have to turn on that heat press. And I'm just going to hit start. I'm going to press down on it. Okay, that's done. I'm going to just go ahead and turn this off. because I'm tired of looking at that light keep blinking. Okay, so I'm going to move it over here because it's still hot. Peel the tape off. This thing is like real hot. It came out real good. Just peel that off. Oh. That's the first one. Peel this off. Okay. I'm just set those right here. Move this out the way. Then now this, it sticks, so you have to just peel this off like that. Take the piece that you press and just set it down in there. Just press, you have to press down on it so it can stay. So that one's done. Then you just peel this off. If I can get it. It's hard. Oh, there you go. Just peel that off and just set the picture inside there. Press down so it can stay. And this right here just gonna snap on like that. And you just take your chain, put it through there. Okay. Okay, once you have pressed it, got everything together, it's going to look like this. And the bracelet looks like that. Okay, and that's it for today. And I'm going to do another video with the rest of the, let me move it up, do another video with the rest of the jewelry that I bought from, let me see, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. I'm going to do the sunflower and the heart, the locket. Okay, make sure you like, share, and subscribe my video, and I will talk to you soon. God loves you, and I love you too. Bye.